Hello children, today we are going to learn a new lesson and the name of the lesson is Do Your Best. Now let's see the story. Suresh Mehta was a happy child. He had many friends. He loved to play many sports and games. Football and cricket were the ones he enjoyed most. So here Suresh Mehta was a happy child. He used to remain always happy and he had many friends to play. And he liked to play what? Football and cricket. There was only one thing he was afraid of, and that was water. He was afraid of water. One day, Suresh's father took him to the swimming pool of a club not far from their home. There were many children in the pool. They were all merrily splashing around in the shallow pool. "Come on, son, let us get into the pool," said Mr. Mehta. Now Suresh replied, "No, Papa, I am scared," said Suresh. "I will be in the pool with you, Suresh. We will enjoy ourselves in the water," said his father. Suresh refused to jump in. Mr. Mehta was a good swimmer. He used to swim and he used to be very good in swimming. So he took his son Suresh to the pool almost every day. He dived into the water, but Suresh stayed by the poolside because he was afraid of water. He was not supposed to go into the water because he was scared of water. After a few days, Suresh moved closer to the water. He was less afraid now. One day, he surprised his father by saying, "Papa, if I get into the pool, will you hold my hand?" So here you can see that Suresh used to go to the pool every day. His father used to take him to the pool every day and he used to watch others swimming in the pool every day. So by seeing this day by day, he also now wanted to learn to swim. So he told his father that whether his father will hold his hand if he gets into the pool. Now his father said, "Yes, of course, Mr. Mehta said." Suresh slowly went down the steps into the water. All the children cheered him loudly. They knew how scared he had been. Mr. Mehta held Suresh in the water. Suresh had great fun in the pool. "Papa, will you teach me how to swim?" he asked his father. Now Mr. Mehta was overjoyed. He was very, very happy when he heard that his son wanted to learn to swim. Now that Suresh was no longer afraid, he learned to swim quickly. A friend of Mr. Mehta told him that the Marine Club was going to hold a swimming competition 2 weeks later. Boys and girls between the ages of 6 and 10 could swim in the races. Now Suresh really wanted to enter the competition. "You must practice every day," Mr. Mehta told him. Now Suresh started practicing every day. He jogged around the pool. He learned how to dive. He did all that his father told him to. Finally, the day of the competition arrived. There were so many boys and girls who had come to the club for the competition. "Best of luck, Suresh," said his parents. He thanked them and took his place at the poolside. When the whistle was blown, the swimmers dived in. Suresh swam as fast as he could. He had to swim 2 laps. By the time the race was over, they were quite out of breath. Suresh didn't win, but he was still very happy. He came fourth in the race, but his parents were proud of him. We must celebrate, said Mr. Mehta. Let us go and buy some ice creams. Suresh's parents knew he had tried his best. Suresh knew he was getting better as a swimmer. He did not come first, second, or third. He did not win a prize, but they were all very happy. Suresh would surely do better next time, they believed. Now, the family enjoyed their ice creams and returned home. They were tired but very happy. Now, children, now I will ask you some question, and at the same time I will give you the answer so that later on you can learn it. Okay, now let's see. Number 1 question. What games did Suresh like to play? The answer is Suresh liked to play football and cricket. Now next question. What was Suresh afraid of? Suresh was afraid of water. Now third question. Where did Mr. Mehta take Suresh? Mr. Mehta took Suresh to the swimming pool in a club. Next question. Who were splashing around in the pool? The other children were splashing around the pool. What did Mr. Mehta ask Suresh to do? The answer is Mr. Mehta asked Suresh to get into the pool and learn to swim. Next question. What was Suresh's reply? Suresh replied that he was scared of water.